In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to create a premium clothing store using Shopify, and we are only going to use the free resources to design this store. Let's get started. Once you sign up for Shopify, you'll be taken to the dashboard. And before we design our store, it's important to add our products into the store. This will make the design process much easier. So, click on Products on the left menu, and then click on Add Product. First, enter your product title here. Next, we need to enter the description. If you don't have a product description, you can use Shopify AI to create one. Simply type your product details here, then select a tone. And you can also give special instruction, and then click on Generate. If you don't like this one, you can click on the Generate Again button. Once you find a good description, click on this black button to keep it. For now, I am going to use my own product description. Next, under Media, you need to upload your product images. If you don't have good quality images, you can use Shopify AI to create studio quality images. You only need to select the image you want to customize, and then you'll see some options on the right side. For now, I want to change the background. First, Shopify AI will analyze your product image. Once it's done, you can click on this Remove Background button to remove the background. Or you can also replace the background with a color. You can also create different backgrounds with the help of AI. Here, you need to describe your product, and then mention the type of background you want. You can also use suggestions from Shopify, which will make it much easier. Once you click on this Generate button, Shopify AI will generate 4 different backgrounds for you. Simply choose the one that you like, and then click on Confirm. Now make sure to save this image as a new image, and then exit this editor. Next, you can simply drag this image and set it as your primary image. Next, we have the pricing section, where you need to enter the selling price and compare at price. Next, you'll see the inventory option, where you need to enter your inventory. Next, under shipping details, enter your product weight. You'll also see the variants option here, where you can add product variants such as size, colors, etc. Okay, now click on this Save button to save this product details. And then make sure that the product is set as active. And just like this, you can add as many products as you want. And if you already have products listed somewhere else, you can directly import them as well. To do that, you need to click on this Import button. Next, add your product file here and click on this Upload button, and then Confirm. And within a few seconds, all your products will be directly imported to your store. Okay, the next step for us is to create product collections. So, click on Collections on the left menu. Next, you'll see this default collection here. You can delete this by selecting it, going to the 3 dots, and then click on Delete. Next, click on this Create Collection button. And just like we added the products, you can add your collection titles and description. You can use collections to show your bestsellers, new arrivals, and different products. For now, I will only enter the title, and then hit the Save button. Now, you'll see this product section. Click on this Browse button, and then select all the products that you want to add in this collection. You can also upload an image to this collection, but it is optional, so I'll leave this as it is. Now, we can go back and then repeat the same process to create more collections. Alright, we've added all of our products and collections on this store, and now it's time for us to customize this store. So, click on this Online Store option. Here, you can see that the current theme of our store is the Dawn theme. And when you click on this View Your Store button, you'll be able to preview your current store design. This is the default Shopify theme, which is not bad, but for this store, we are going to use a different theme. So let's go back to our dashboard now, and then go to Themes. Click on Explore Themes options, which will take you to the Shopify theme library. Here, you can find hundreds of Shopify themes. But most of these themes are really expensive, and I personally don't like to use these overpriced themes. You can filter the free themes from here. To design this store, I am going to use the Trade theme. This is one of the latest Shopify theme, and it contains every feature that we need to design our store. You can click here to preview this theme, make sure to preview it on both devices, and if you like it, click on this Try Theme option, and within a few seconds this theme will be added to our store. Next, we need to click on this Publish button to set it as the default theme of our store. And now, if you click on View Store button, you'll see this completely different design. And this structure is looking much better than the last one. and we can customize this theme as per our requirements.